Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
First, set up Apple Pay on your iPhone or Mac with one card. Enable Face ID or Touch ID and confirm the default card works. Next, open Safari on iOS or Mac OS Big Sur or later for a compatible checkout experience. Sign into your Steam account in the browser and verify the billing and shipping addresses match your Apple Pay card. Keep your Apple device unlocked and nearby for authentication during the checkout process. Open store.steampowered.com in Safari and add your desired items to the cart. Proceed to checkout and select Apple Pay when the payment methods appear. Review the order total and the card shown by Apple Pay before confirming. Authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode when prompted. Wait for the confirmation screen. Steam will process the charge and deliver your purchase to the linked account. If Apple Pay is not available, try updating Safari or using a supported card linked to Apple Wallet. Confirm your Apple ID region matches your payment country and enable region settings on your device. If a card declines, contact your bank to authorize web payments and Apple Pay transactions. For security, keep screenshots of the order and check transaction history in Apple Wallet for the payment line. If problems persist, contact Steam support with the order ID.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.